Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this centerpiece swag, or a swag that you can put on your door. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and it'll go all the way around my swag. And then if I want to, I could tie it onto a lantern or a wreath or wherever I want to put it. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my fern here, see which is the right side, this is the right side, and lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my eucalyptus and lay this down into my Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my floral from over here and lay this down. And take this other floral so that we're sort of a little bit matching. Lay that down. Then I'm going to take my flowers here, or my hydrangeas. And these flowers are literally dollar store flowers. So it's not like we're spending very much money at all on this swag. Then I'm going to take my sunflowers and lay those down. I'm just going to take 3 and lay those down into my Bowdabra here. And what's great is because of the springs in the Bowdabra, it's holding everything in place. I'm going to lay this flower here and take this one, and I'm just going to kind of lay this in here, and I'm going to end up sort of shaping it around when I'm finished. Then the last piece I'm going to put in is my pumpkin. I'll actually put it on this side. And then I'm going to take my ribbons, and I'm going to use 3 ribbons for this swag. First thing that I'm going to do is dovetail the ends of these. So we'll dovetail that, and fold this in half, and dovetail here. I'm going to lay this down into my swag. And also, don't forget to, I'm just going to throw those away here. Don't forget to follow us at TikTok. We're just starting a TikTok channel, and we're going to be doing some really unique things on our TikTok channel that we don't do anywhere else. So we definitely want you to follow us on TikTok to get some really cool ideas. Also, we have over 300 videos on our YouTube, I think over 400 videos on our YouTube channel. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Gleam ribbon and my fall plaid ribbon. I guess it would be nice if I took the right side of the ribbon. And I'm going to twist it so that my Gleam gold ribbon is on the inside of my plaid. And I'm just going to fold it and twist. And we're just going to fold and twist, and we're just going to keep folding and twisting. Also, please, in the comments, let me know what kind of bows you'd like us to do in the future. We love doing all of these swags. We plan everything out pretty far in advance, but we can always accommodate a last minute request if you have one, and we can do something in a live. And I'm just going to fold that down in there, and I'm going to just clip this piece here. Get that out of there. And then what I'm going to do is take my swirl ribbon in copper, and we're just going to twist it, and we're going to make a littler bow on the inside. Also, just so you know, we have every Monday night at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 Eastern, 6 Central, and 5 Mountain, we have a Bowdabra Facebook Live that we do. So you definitely want to join us there. That's a half-an-hour live, and either Nick or myself do the lives, and they're really fun, and you'll get great ideas. So we're just going to fold and twist and fold and twist. So all we're doing for this whole thing is just folding and twisting, and we're going slowly through this video so that you can really see what I'm doing. We're going to fold and twist, and I'm going to just make a little half loop so I have my floral loop in the center. And I'll take my wand, and now you can see that the towers are a little together, so I'm just going to push them apart push everything down into my Bowdabra. I'm going to take my wire, bring it up through my Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it really tight while everything's still in the Bowdabra. And I'm going to pull it out. Now you have this beautiful centerpiece or lantern swag or door swag. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.